Where were we?
Where is that?
Right in front of you.
Where?
Right in front, literally right in front of you.
Yeah.
And go in the tech building or something for cover, or this little, the lathe shop.
Right.
We'll get,
I'm gonna shoot.
we'll get stuff sorted there.
I'm gonna shoot hard with you.
You officially
I'm
rotten egg.
Are these the camo jackets?
Yeah.
Yeah, Rob's got one for you.
I'll actually put one of them on. Hold on.
Where he's upstairs.
Upstairs, aye.
Yeah,
This is me standing next to you.
Well, we are actually going
Rob's
to have
got
to
the
change
jackets.
armbands now though, because they'll just blend in.
Yeah.
You don't need armbands.
Let's bring on buns. Oh, cheers, John. Big offers.
Yeah, Chris, check me bag out.
Fuck, what you got all this for?
Thanks. It's loaded, John.
I'll tell
Camo
you
jackets.
Who's took the bag?
Right, John.
What?
Camo jacket.
Is it
Half
I'm
a
gonna
bag,
give you a
John.
loaded gun, Howard?
Camo jacket.
Am I gonna lose me the jacket?
Yeah.
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 Take your stuff out of it.
Oh, where's his stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in there.
Annan.
We
Hat.
can do the group picture.
What?
Annan. Hat. Hat.
The orange one?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, you kind of wear green camo hat. Come on.
I wanted a thingy helmet.
Where's John?
Yeah, you need to find a construction helmet.
Yeah, let's go to the construction
Good, yeah.
site. Oh, actually no,
John.
there's spawn in the air. Think
Yeah,
about
that's a
it.
good idea.
There's one for you.
I'm gonna go find a...
I'm not putting that on.
Put it on. Come on.
No, we need a group picture before you come up before you do that.
Yeah.
Put it on.
Put it on. Put it on.
Put the hat on.
Oh, I don't want to lose me good hat.
Just put it in your
I
inventory.
will find you
It's
the
gun
one.
got bullets in.
Yeah, well don't point it at me to find out. No.
I've just test on Chris's head.
Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Is that Sean lighting a flare?
Who's taking the photo?
Me. I'm taking screenshots anyway. Oh, she's taking a photo. Is someone taking a photo? In a line, yeah. Hold on.
How'd you throw, Flair?
G. Press and hold
G.
G.
Oh, it goes out.
Hold on, I'll try and get a photo.
John, why not put your hat on?
I'm trying now.
Legend.
Hold on, I've kind of got one of you.
How'd you do it?
It's not going to be the best one, like. Oh, John, go back.
Wait,
What are you
I'll
doing?
do-
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm gonna do a picture.
I was getting one. I've got one in an angle there. Actually, I got one.
Look at
Actually.
you, dickheads. I'm coming.
Wait, I'll kneel down in front.
Who's taking it, like? Now? Who's
You're taking
What
a screenshot,
screenshot?
like
F12.
print screen, is that for F12?
Not F11.
Oh, no.
Yeah, try F11. He's gonna do it too. Pull the trigger.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Done.
Is that it?
I think I'll get a picture of these again. No, go back.
Come on.
Get part one.
Right. And then let's go to war in my new camo.
You're facing the wrong way.
There is.
One is lie down in front, like a queen.
Wait there, John, wait there.
Oh, what's he done?
Alright, dude.
I'm gonna put it in his ass. Get it quick.
There, get the further away. Wait, I've had enough of this now.
Oh well.
I think it's done, yeah.
It's actually in his ass.
Let's go find someone to kill.